Welcome. This is your teacher, David Garcia, and today's topic is the parabola. Now, today we will be focusing on using the information that is given to us to write the vertex form of the equation for the parabola. So let's begin, and let's imagine that we are given this information. They give us the vertex, which is at 10,4, and they give us the focus, which is at 10,15/4. Now, the very first thing that we have to find out is to see if we are working with a vertical parabola or a horizontal parabola, because we will have to end up with either this equation here or this equation here. So how do we do that? In this case, if they are giving us the vertex, the information of the vertex, we already have two coordinates, regardless if it's vertical or if it's horizontal. We have H and K. So we have to use the other piece of information, in this case, the focus, to see where the change is occurring. In this case, if you see, the X coordinate of the focus is identical to the X coordinate of the vertex, and the change is occurring on the Y coordinate. This is happening because this vertex and this focus are on a vertical parabola. So if this number is the same, the Y coordinate changes between vertex and focus, we are watching a vertical parabola. So that means that the information that we will be using, okay, is this information on this column right here. So from there, we can, here, there we go. We can establish that this is what we want, all right? We want to find the three values, which are A, H, and K. And since we already have the vertex, we already have H and K. So H will be 10 and K will be 4. So far, so good. Now, the second part, the focus, is where we're going to get our value for A. Now, if you see the focus information right here on the vertical parabolas, we see that the first number of the focus is H, and we can confirm that this is the same number. And the second number, this one right here, is 15/4. So in other words, we can say that K plus 1/4A is equal to 15/4. Now we have almost all the information, so it's just a matter of doing the corresponding substitutions. So we have that 4 plus 1/4A will be equal to 15/4. Now, these 4 that we have here, we're going to send it to the other side, subtracting. Now let us remember, there we go, 1/4A, that we have a fraction here. So our 4 expressed in fourths is 16/4. Okay. This 16/4 is precisely this 4 right here. I'm just rewriting the 4 as a fraction. So now I have that 1/4A will be equal to -1/4. So I will send this number to the other side multiplying, and I will send this number to the other side multiplying as well. And as both numerators are 1, I have that 4 equals negative 4a. So it's very obvious that a will be negative 1 now. So now I have my third value. I already know that a will be negative 1. So now I have my 3 values, a, h, and k, and I can write the vertex form of the equation for this parabola. And the equation will be y equals negative x minus h, which is 10 squared plus 4. And this is my final answer. There we go. That's it. I'll see you in our next video.